Hey, this is Alex with FileDrop. Today I want to show you our new tool to rename files in your Google Drive. We already have a file renamer in FileDrop. It was here. So this here, but this was a much simpler tool that you would list the files first. Oh, oops, sorry. List files in folder first. And it will list the files here, and I would we would add the name, the new name here on the new file name column. Our new tool is a bit more complex. You're gonna find it in our folder tools sidebar. It's available to our Pro and Business Plus users, and let me show you how it works. So we have a few options here. These are probably we'll add more in the next weeks. So again, we have the folder ID. We can also select it if you want it with the Google Picker. So I'm gonna do image demos. I'm gonna select, and what I can do now is add a prefix or a suffix, replace some parts of the name with others. Maybe I want to change the case, uppercase, lowercase, remove spaces, add spaces, or replace spaces with dashes at the moment. We're gonna add more features soon for sure to make this as much to make this as better as possible. So I have some images here. There are some memes about Google Sheets, and I want to add the prefix, and I'm gonna change this one. I'm gonna replace the spaces with dashes. Let's do that. Okay, and this is what it did. And now let's add some prefix. I'm gonna add FileDrop here and rename files. Depending on the number of files you have in that folder, it might take a bit, but I only have a few images, and maybe I want to make all the uppercases lowercase, and let's see how this works. And just a few of the files were replaced. So it's an easy tool that you can use right away and works pretty quickly. I hope you enjoyed, and it's useful for you. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye.